What is up, you guys? So today's video, I'm kind of redoing my room, which it probably looks different from the last time you've seen it because that was in the, what video was that? It was during my Christmas series. I did my Christmas room, and I might sound and look a little gross right now because I'm sick and dying and I probably have a fever, but like, it's fine. But I got the Tezza wall kit thing and I took like a video when I unboxed it, so I'll insert that now. But I am gonna put that all up on my wall where my tapestry used to be, and I already moved this stuff forward so that I can like get back there, and so I'm probably gonna just like speed that up and have that in right here because I don't think you guys want to watch me individually put up a bunch of pictures. So yeah, probably won't show all of me doing it, but I'll definitely show you guys the finished result. I also painted like one of the like artwork pieces that I have in my room, just a print from Urban Outfitters. It was blue, and my room I'm kind of changing to have more of like less colorful feel, which like I'm working on getting new pillows here and stuff, and down there as well. So I changed the blue to black, so it looks a little more like black and white kind of aesthetic. So yes, I will keep you guys posted. My posture is so bad. I'm so sick. So that is this week's video. Is kind of like my room transformation, I guess, which is not really going through that much of a change, but yeah, bye. So I'm gonna show you how my room is starting. I know I did kind of like a room tour for like Christmas, but this is how it usually looks with those pillows. Are not usually, those were on my chair in the last one, and then I just have everything kind of put together a little bit. I took down my tapestry already, so you can see it. If you go and watch that video, I will have it up here. But yeah, this is my room without all the Christmas decorations and that kind of stuff. I have some prints. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little less colorful. I used to have pink pillowcases on these ones, but I already switched them to just like a light tan color. Yeah. Welcome to my room. So we just came in the, wow, cute angle. We just came in this door, and I decided to clean all the belts off of this rack because it was starting to look really cluttered, and I bought something to where they can hang in my closet now. And then turning around, we have my mirror, and Nugget still lives there. But I added a little plant right here. Ooh, unpopular. I added, just kidding, a little plant right here that hangs down. I thought it was a nice touch, and I have that plant in there as well. My backpack just kind of chills in here. And then I redid the pillows on here. I'm not sure if I'm keeping the yellow. I think I might paint a pillow because I bought like a canvas pillowcase that I can paint. And then of course you guys already saw I put this up. And then behind my record player, I added another plant, which actually used to be over on my desk, or up there actually. Anyways, I got those new pillows and a new little like long pillow, and took away the other one that was there and kind of off-spaced it a little bit. And then I added two more plants over here. And I painted this one. It used to be blue, but and it had pink fingernails, but I painted it to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, at least for me. And then I also used to have a bunch of cords coming out of here that led all the way to my desk, but I replaced it with just a long extension cord. So now all the cords actually lead from down beneath my chair. And of course most of this is the same, but then I have a new plant up there and there as well. Wow, I'm getting a lot of messages. And then I had this set up so I could film, but usually these would be put away. And then I have my salt lamp here, which I already had most of this stuff up here, but I think I've got that mirror since I filmed last. And yeah, that is pretty much my room. It is pretty similar, but I felt like the touches I added made it just prettier, a lot cleaner looking. I love the plants that I added to add that green. All right, that is my room. Okay, you guys. Okay, guys, so that is my room. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of all over the place because I filmed the first part of it at like the beginning of my cold, and then now my cold's like probably on its last day. So I've been sick. Can't blame me. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like my room. And see you next week. Bye.